Welcome to Level Up Math for All. Today we are going to learn area of a triangle. First of all, we have to understand the formula to calculate area of a triangle. Before that, we need to understand what do you mean of area. Especially in this case, we are trying to find area of a triangle. Let's stick to the triangle. The area of a triangle that measures the region enclosed by three connected angles here. You see one first angle, second angle, three angles. So these three are well connected angles. The area here, right, the region which is within these three angles, we need to figure it out. That is called the area. For the formula to find a triangle's area, as we all know, or maybe if you are new to here, the area is always represented as A, that is a capital A. Then the formula to find the area, A equal to of, that is nothing but 1 by 2, B times H. Let's try to figure it out. What do you mean of B and what do you mean of H? B is nothing but the triangle that represents the length of the base. H is nothing but the height, that is a perpendicular distance from the base to the top. This is the top, right? So the thing, this is from base. And as we heard, there is a word perpendicular. It means it should be exactly straight forward and 90 degrees from top to the base. So let's get into the more details here and try to find area of a triangle. Let's go to the pictured scenario and observe where the base comes from, where the height comes from, and how to solve some of the problem. Before that, please do subscribe, Level Up Math for All, and like, share, comment. So here is the description, which we already discussed in a couple of seconds before. Area of a triangle, basically between the three connected angles boundary, which we are going to find it here. The formula is A is equal to 1 by 2 or equal to half. I generally like to use the term half BH. I generally like to say if area formula for a triangle is A equal to half BH, or you can say 1 by 2 B times height. Whatever the convenient way you would like to remember, please make sure that by heart this formula and keep this picture in your mind. This is a perpendicular line between top to the bottom, that's called height, and the bottom line is a base. So for the given problem, we have to find area of a triangle where given base is 6 meter and height is 8 meters. So if we apply this information and the picture representation, we see the base is 6 meters and the height is 8 meters. As I mentioned, this should be a perpendicular touching from top to the base from the top notch point. So now, how to solve this one? The solution, we have a triangle with a base of 6 meters and height of 8 meters. To find the area of a triangle, the formula is A equal to of B times H. As you know, in the given question, a given problem, the base is 6 meters, the height is 8 meters. Let's substitute the values in this formula. Formula is A equal to of BH and A equal to of 6 times 8, that is B, this is H. Now A equal to of 48, 6 times 4, 8 is 48. Then 48 divided by 2, that is nothing but 24. So the area of a triangle is 24 square meters. That means the triangle enclosed a region of 24 square meters within its boundaries. So the boundaries are angle, another angle, and another angle. There are three different angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So overall, here you see we have a question which we got is base and height is listed in meters, but the answer is in square meters. So remember one thing, whenever you get a question with meters, when you're trying to find a area, any of the 2D image or a 2D problem, the area always gets into square meters. If it is a meter, the answer will be in square meters. If it's centimeters, our answer will be in square centimeters. Please remember it. Okay, you have to solve one of the similar problem on your own. So to test your ability, knowledge, and understanding, right? This is only for you, not me, okay? Just look into here the problem, go ahead and try to solve, have a pen and paper. Look here, the problem says find the area of a triangle with a base of 9 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. Remember the problem which we solved, the base has given in meters and the height has given in meters. Now here we are trying to solve a problem with the base with 4 centimeters and height with the 9 centimeters. Make sure that the answer when we find the area of either triangle, square, rectangle or circle, anything, if it is given data in meters, the answer will be square meters. Same thing here, the given data, the base and height is in centimeters, the answer will be in square centimeters. Make sure that if anything is given here and the problem as a meters, answer will be in square meters. Don't get confused. And if it is in centimeters, the answer will be in square centimeters. That's it, particularly for the area. Please subscribe Level Up Math for All, like it, post the comment, click on the bell icon for future videos. Thank you.